Hey there, it's Jenna Gaduzik here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Midjourney account by way of using Discord, which is the only way that you can do it, okay? So first, what you need to do is you need to set up a Discord account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. And then once that information is in there, you can go ahead and confirm that you are a human being. We will get all of the owls. All right. And so now we've created our free account. We'll go ahead and verify by email. All right. And so once we've verified our email to get in, we can go ahead and create our own little server here. Just for me, this is my little blank server name. This is not the one that I typically use, but for today's purposes, it is. Topic, interior design, AI stuff. All right, let's go to our server now. Okay, so the next part is going to be to add Midjourney. So go to the midjourney.com website and then find the join the beta. Okay, and then it's going to beam you over, as it says, to Discord. And now that we're in Discord, we see some, basically the dashboard. And from the dashboard, you're going to go to Explore Discoverable Servers. And then you should be able to find Midjourney. It's probably going to be one of the top ones here. All right, and then we've got some getting started instructions, or you can go ahead and poke around. If you click getting started, it's going to open a channel for you. Basically what Discord is it's a community platform, very similar to, if I boil it down a little bit, to the way that Slack looks to communicate via different hashtag channels that you have. If you're old school like me, they're like chat rooms, basically, from early 2000s, if you're, if you used to be into that type of thing. But that's how it's formatted, so you can find different threads, different ideas and whatnot. So this is basically, it's now telling us that we don't have permission, and that's because Midjourney does require you to sign up for at least a $10, which is their base subscription plan now. To activate that, you should have this banner at the top that says you're currently previewing. Go ahead and join the server. So join Midjourney. Confirm again that yes, we are still a human. Okay. So now we're a member of Midjourney. We joined that server. And under getting started here, we are prompted. So they used to do trials for everything. Now everything is locked. As far as I can see. So now we've just got to activate that $10 subscription. So we come here and we go to midjourney.com/account. Go ahead and log back in. I'm in a browser where maybe it just didn't remember. Alrighty. Oh, great. So we've got $8 a month for the basic plan. If you do the yearly, if you plan to do month to month, it is $10 to get started. So if you're doing any of my classes right now on AI and Midjourney, you can start out with the basic plan and then see, as it goes, if you should upgrade. So for me, I'm actually on the $30 a month plan, the standard plan, and that's just because of the bulk of imagery that I'm creating for both my print-on-demand store and also just for inspirational images for my clients, and also content for the AI classes. So that's why I chose to upgrade to the 30. You should be able to just start out with a $10 plan though, and get started with that. So go ahead and activate your plan. And then once your plan is activated, you should be able to access the server. So let me go log into the account that I have. That's my actual account. All right, so this is my actual Discord account that I have linked to a membership. I will say that when I first got started with Midjourney, I am not a Discord user, so I had created 2 accounts somehow of Discord, and I was like, why can't I log into my Midjourney? I've activated the subscription. It's because I had 2 accounts and I hadn't applied the subscription to the one that I was trying to log in with and forgot that I had the other one. So if you ever get in that type of situation, it can absolutely happen. It only applies it to the email that you sign up with. So just beware of that. So now that we're in the dashboard, this is the home Midjourney page. I got here by clicking on the Midjourney icon in the left toolbar. And this basically just has all these little chat rooms for newbies here. They're generating their images and whatnot. I'll give you an overview of what we're seeing. So I have a private channel, and I have another training resource where you can learn how to create your own. So in my private server, we have, just prompts that I've been doing on my own. And this one here, this is a bedroom that I basically redid from an image that I uploaded of a render that I created. And I asked it for different decorating styles using the bedroom as inspiration. So let me give you an overview of what we're seeing. And every time you do a server prompt, you will get 4 images. Okay, so the 4 images here, and these coordinate. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you wanted to upscale photo 1, you would press this. Upscale photo 4, you press this. This basically gives you a whole new fresh set using the prompt that you used to begin with, but just 4 new images. The V's right here do variations of the picture. So if you wanted a different version of this one here, we would hit V1 and it'll generate. So this is photo 4. So I pressed U4, and that's what spit out this. This is not the highest quality for my print on demand. I do re-enlarge everything in another upscaling program, but they are really great images, and I use them without upscaling on my website with no issue. So you can just basically save this to your computer. You're good to go. This here is this is how they come through. So as you are doing a prompt and they start to come through, it's kind of like just the magic, working before your eyes, which is really cool to see. So this is that picture. What did I do? Picture 3, I think, variation, maybe picture 1. And so this is that variation coming through of that bedroom based on the prompt that I had in there. So whole new set of images. And this is just a basic, simple prompt. In our coursework, in our classes, we get into crafting, more detailed prompts and creating more content all at once. So there's lots of prompt formats that you can do to generate images and materials and textures and all of those fun things. So that's all going to be on aiforinteriordesigners.com. All right. Thanks for joining me.